Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to divide a PDF file. So let's start. First of all, you can see here is my PDF file over here. Now if I open this, there you can see this is PDF file with 18 pages. I want to divide this PDF file. Now we can see this is PDF file of lab report on which we have 4 labs. I want to divide this individually. Here you can see here is lab 1 on first page, second page, third page, fourth page and fifth page. After the 6th page, this is of lab 2. So if I want to divide this PDF into 5 pages first, you need to open this PDF on Google Chrome as I have done. Press Ctrl and P from your keyboard. Now you can see here on destination, select this save as PDF. Now on pages, select custom. Now I want to divide this PDF from page number 1 to page number 5. Then what I'll do is, I will set trends over here to page number 1 to page number 5. Here you can see it is divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just click on this save. You can give your name as lab 1. You can give any name you want. And after giving name, just click on this save. And if I open that folder, you can see this is my lab 1 which I recently created, and you can see here is page number 1 to 5 only. Before it was from page number 1 to 18, now you can see it is divided to 5 pages. So in this way we can divide a PDF. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time. Bye.